UM freshman Emily Burke came back from the Thanksgiving break to a blanket of snow on campus.
I feel like the university's done a really great job with the sidewalks and especially the areas where there's going to be a lot of foot traffic.
Employees on campus clear roadways and walkways whenever there's snow. Grounds crew manager Ben Carson says he's on call during winter storms and sometimes gets to work in the middle of the night to ready campus for students.
Luckily, in a lot of years past, we've had our biggest snowfalls during winter break, which allows us a lot more mobility in campus without the population, so we can get things done quickly.
Burke says driving on the ice makes her anxious, and she wishes campus could be ice-free after a storm.
I think they could do better with the parking lots in that situation. I just know in the back of Knowles it's pretty icy.
Our Montana winter guarantees the work will continue to pile up at UM. Reporting for UM News, I'm Jon Allen.